Welcome to our comprehensive guide to living room furniture, where comfort meets style, and functionality intertwines with aesthetics. In this 30-minute journey, we'll explore the essence of creating your ideal living space. Your living room is the heart of your home, a place where memories are made and relaxation is paramount. Let's start by envisioning the key elements that make up this cherished space. From sumptuous sofas to elegant coffee tables, each piece plays a vital role in shaping the ambience and functionality of your living room. Whether you prefer modern minimalism or classic comfort, there's a wealth of options to suit your taste and lifestyle. For those who embrace contemporary design, sleek lines and innovative materials take center stage. Consider a modular sofa that adapts to your changing needs, complemented by geometric coffee tables and minimalist shelving units. Alternatively, if timeless elegance is your preference, embrace the warmth of traditional furniture. A plush sectional sofa invites you to sink into its embrace, while ornate wooden coffee tables and bookcases add a touch of sophistication. Creating a family-friendly living room calls for durable, inviting pieces that can withstand the rigors of daily life. Opt for soft, stain-resistant fabrics on your sofas and chairs, paired with versatile storage solutions to keep clutter at bay. Living in a compact space? Fear not. With clever furniture choices, even the smallest living rooms can feel spacious and inviting. Consider multifunctional pieces like sleeper sofas and nesting tables to maximize every inch of space. No living room is complete without the perfect accent furniture to add personality and flair. From statement-making accent chairs to eye-catching ottomans, these pieces inject character into your space and reflect your unique style. Once you've chosen your furniture pieces, it's time to arrange them in a way that optimizes both comfort and functionality. Experiment with different layouts until you find the perfect configuration that encourages conversation and relaxation. In the end, creating your ideal living room is all about striking a balance between comfort, style, and practicality. Whether you're hosting lively gatherings or enjoying quiet evenings with loved ones, let your living room furniture set the stage for countless cherished moments. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of living room furniture. May your living space be a reflection of your unique personality and a sanctuary of comfort and joy.